Hi guys, I'm about to break down exactly how to get any woman you want. Not just talk to her, not just sit around hoping that she notices you. I'm talking about making her feel your presence before you even get a chance to open your mouth. So by the time you do speak, she's already 100% locked in. This isn't about playing games, it's not about manipulation. What this is psychology that's backed by real studies and that's rooted in human behavior. And by the end of this video, you won't just know how to get her. You'll understand how to flip the switch that makes her want you first. And if you actually want to understand why this works instead of just copying things, that's chapter 5 in my book Attraction Secrets. That specific chapter breaks down how attraction forms before you even realize it's happening. So if you want the deeper layer behind all of this, it's in there waiting for you. And now's the time to grab it because it's currently on sale for only $7. The link is in the description. Now let's get into it. Number 1, match her energy, then disrupt it. A lot of guys ruin attraction early because they overinvest. They respond instantly. They send 2 messages for every one that she sends. They give her everything before she's earned anything. Women notice this immediately. And when she sees that imbalance, interest starts dropping right after. Because men who respect themselves don't chase. They don't overextend. They mirror her pace first. If she takes time to reply, you take time too. If she's vague and brief, you keep it simple. That shows something that's missing in today's world, which is restraint. It shows that you're assessing her. And that's what makes her take you seriously. Once she's comfortable with the rhythm, she expects it to stay the same. But that's when you shift it. You don't ghost, you don't disappear. You just end the interaction first. You've got something to handle. You have a life to get back to. Now she's wondering where your attention went. That uncertainty creates tension, and tension is where desire stems from. Number 2, use silence instead of filling space. Most people are terrified of silence. And because they're terrified of that silence, they do everything in their power to break it. They'll talk, they'll joke, they'll explain. They fill space because silence to them feels unsafe. But when a man is comfortable with silence, it creates pressure, and pressure makes her feel you. Say something direct, hold eye contact, and then stop talking. Let her sit with it. Let her process it. That pause is what flips attraction in your favor. Now she's focused on you instead of the other way around. A lot of guys kill attraction by trying to entertain her, but real dominance shows up in restraint. If she challenges you, you don't rush to explain. You pause, you respond calmly, and then you let silence do the work for you. That's when attraction skyrockets. Number 3, control your voice before you control your words. What you say matters so much less than how you say it. Your tone of voice hits her before she has a chance to process your words. If your voice is rushed, shaky, nervous, high-pitched, she will feel the stress and she'll feel the insecurity. But when your voice is slow and calm, everything changes. You don't sound like every other guy trying to impress her. You sound like a man who's in control. And this is not just theory, guys. Studies from the University of Sterling show women respond more strongly to deeper, steady voice tones. That doesn't mean forcing your voice lower. It means slowing down, relaxing your throat, speaking from your chest, saying something, and then pausing. Let the silence carry weight. That's when she starts hanging on to your every single word. Number 4, create the disruption. The vast majority of women already expect a script. Guys complimenting her, guys trying to impress, guys acting overly confident. Your job isn't to fit that script. Your job is to interrupt it. Ever felt like she's one step ahead and you're struggling to keep up? That's not by accident. Women use subtle mind games to control the narrative. I created a free guide to help you see these tactics very clearly so you can level the playing field. Click the link to download it now and never give her the upper hand again. When you show up calm, controlled, and not trying to win her over, it completely throws her off because her brain expects predictability. When it doesn't get it, attention locks in. That's why saying less works so well. That's why unexpected statements land harder. Instead of, "Hi, how are you?" you say, "I don't do this often, but I'd regret not introducing myself." That line works because it shows selectiveness. At that point, you're not chasing, you're choosing. And she feels it instantly. Number 5, use the pratfall effect. I go deeper into this in my book Attraction Secrets because most men either don't use it at all or they use it the wrong way. People become more attractive when they show a small flaw after they've already shown and established value. That order matters. You establish strength first. You show composure, you show direction. Then you let something human show through. Now there's a fine line here, guys, because I'm not talking about insecurity or self-criticism or fishing for reassurance. Just realness. A confident man who laughs at a small mistake instantly lowers her guards. She sees that he's not acting. He's not trying to be flawless. He's not trying to impress her. He's just comfortable in his own skin, and that creates relief. And relief tells her that she doesn't have to act either. And that's what builds trust. And trust is what makes her fall for you. Number 6, trigger her evaluation instinct. Every woman evaluates men automatically. Not consciously, but constantly. She watches how you handle small moments, minor problems, minor pushback, boundaries, insecurities, pressure. Those moments matter more than compliments ever will. Men who stay calm during friction earn respect. Men who get emotional, defensive, or reactive completely lose it. You don't need to explain yourself. You don't need to justify your behavior. You just need to respond clearly, directly, and without overreaction. That's how she decides what category you belong in. And once that category is set, it's very hard to change it. Number 7, let her imagination do the work. Never announce that you have options, because men who say it look insecure. What you do instead is you imply it through behavior. You don't always reply instantly. You don't over-explain where you've been. You don't rearrange your life around her availability. Your life is already full, and she can feel that. When she senses other women want you, attraction increases. You didn't have to say anything. Her imagination filled in the gaps for her. She starts assuming value. She starts paying closer attention. Imagination does more than any line ever could, and it's the strongest driver of desire. Everything I just showed you makes sense once you fully understand chapter 5 of Attraction Secrets. That's where I lay out how attraction actually locks in and why most men lose it without ever knowing it even happened. If you want to stop guessing and start moving with certainty, that chapter alone will change how you show up. It's all in the book, and the link is in the description. So with that being said, until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.